Lekki massacre victims offered 5 million naira each to keep silence. Reno Omokri raised alarm. Lawyer and ex-presidential aide Reno Omokri has alleged that some government officials have offered survivors of the Lekki shooting 5 million each as bribe to stay silent. The Amazon best-selling author made this claim in a tweet he posted on his verified Twitter page on Wednesday, October 28. According to him, he spoke with some of the survivors who revealed to him that some government officials are offering them a 5 million naira bribe each. He tweeted, Lekki massacre survivors told me that before they got into the safe house, they received calls from government officials offering them 5 million naira each to walk away and forget the incident. How they got their numbers, they don't know. They have details of these calls and SARS. Thank you for listening to this news. Babaton, my viewers, sure you can see. You can see our government, you can see. They have started. Yes, they have started. They know the atrocity they have committed. I thought they were boasting now. They were boasting for the Biafrans, for the IPOPs, that they are going to rope them with the allegation. Look at who is now panicking. See, just like a lady said in a video, that all of you will suffer. You will suffer. See, nothing you will do in secret that will not be revealed. It will be revealed though. So you keep trying. Keep trying. You will never succeed. I bet you. You will never succeed. You killed people and you want them to keep quiet with 5 million naira. All of you that killed innocent youth, you will all suffer. You will all suffer. And that is why this is for the youth this time around. Those of you that are victims of the massacre that survived, please and please listen to my voice through this channel. Don't accept that 5 million naira, because if you do, you have sold your integrity. You have sold your future. I am telling you this. And this is for Nigerians as well. That is to let you know how evil and devilish these people are. This is the reason why they are struggling to come into power, to embezzle and give themselves and their children a better life, and allow the children of the average to suffer in penury. I'm saying it. All the causes, the old women, the aged women, the old men, the aged men are laying on you people will definitely rest on you people. You will not find peace. You will not find peace. For you to do this to the innocent children, you will not find peace. I'm telling you the truth. Reno Omokri, keep on with the research. I know your ears are on ground. See, they are panicking now because ICC is out for them now. Their petitions are up to this height. Whoa, Boboin, you will all rot in jail. You will all rot in jail. Whether you like it or not, you will rot in jail. ICC has been inviting them one after the other. The first person they want to hear from is President Mubarak, because his own petition is over 20. Of recent, Davido petitioned President Mubarak as well. And how much more petition will they receive? Marinko, they will see. After initiating the massacre, you ran away. You left the country, thinking that they will not see you, thinking that they will not hear you. You ran away to France, and you think that no one will see you that you traveled to France, and you came back, you're saying that you never traveled to France, that you are in Nigeria with your son. Liars. Awoniroshi. Look at Sanwo-Olu. Look at Sanwo-Olu. Look at him. See how you made a mess of yourself. You are not even up to 1 year in office. See the atrocity you are committing. See the atrocity they see you committing. Is that not a disgrace? Is that not a disgrace from a man like you? That is the end of your political ambition. That is the end, though. And that is the end for APC. Whether they like it or not. APC will never exist again. They will never exist, though. They haven't seen anything. See, every ears are on ground. No one will ever support you. No wonder they try to buy the heart of Femi Falana by giving him a position in government. But Femi Falana, being a professional he turned down the offer. He turned down the offer. He told them that he's not interested. He gave them back their position. He said he is okay. He is okay with what he is. He is okay with what he has achieved as a man. They didn't go with their whatever. They didn't go. They haven't seen anything at all. All that they have done to this innocent youth, they will all get it. They will all suffer it. Unless there is no God. But because there is God, they will all suffer it. They will all suffer it. They haven't seen anything. My viewers, this is why we must not allow this. This is why we must not concur with this. We must fight for the right thing. We must speak up. Enough is enough. The children of the average Nigerian will not be taken as togri, while their own children go abroad and be given a quality education. That is why I will speak to the youth of Nigeria that you should say no to togri. Say no to togri. Don't allow yourself to be a scapegoat. Don't allow yourself to be used. Enough is enough. If they invite you for any evil mission, tell them to involve their children in the mission before you carry out the mission. And you will see what's going to be their response. Wicked people. They will all suffer it. My viewers, what is your take? What do you think? Please and please, deem it fit to leave your comment below the comment box. Click on the subscription button as well as the bell button to get updated whenever we upload any new videos. Thank you.